The Libertad Vision 2025 project is based on international presence. At present, we have 6 branch offices in the world: Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Argentina, and the United States. 5 service lines to cover the needs of our customers: car makers, insurance companies, car fleets, dealerships. Having a great infrastructure of our own considering employees, capillarity, and repair resources. All that is based on 2 main pillars. The Libertad Academy, here you can see one of its training centers, and Libertad IT Solutions, making it possible for us to have total control of our processes, transparency with our customers, and immediate access to all the relevant information.